Yes, so welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to take you another lecture, another chapter known as Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. So you know that you may you may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. So these decorations in that Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. So this honor is given to our military people. They they do sacrifice their lives as well as they do some extraordinary work. The Paramvir Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. So, posthumously means after the death, after the death. So, let's go ahead. Now, this is the medal. This is the medal shown in this picture. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is made of bronze and is fitted with a swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. On the on the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi. They are engraved in Hindi and in English with two lotus flowers in between. So let's see how many people and who has given these awards. Indra's Vajra or Thunderbolt is supposed to be the matchless weapon, but that makes a weather invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi of the दादीची so दादीची ऋषि होते हैं sage होते हैं according to legend thousands of years ago a demon म्हणजे दैत्य had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. This demon defeated by any ordinary sorry could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. It was learned that the sage Dadichi had bones of such extraordinary power, but how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Sage Dadichi was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was defeated. So just as the Indra Vajra derived power from the sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramvir Chakra holders. Bravest of the brave, Paramvir Chakra holders. Like you have given some names, the 21 people, 21 bravest of the brave Paramvir Chakra people. Let's see. Let's see the names of the 21 bravest of the brave Paramvir Chakra holders. So I'll read one by one. Here, Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Naik Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Ram Raghoba Rane, Naik Jadunath Singh, Company Havaldar Major Piru, Company Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria. Please mute your sound. कौन सा आवाज चालू है please? Major Dhan Singh Thapa. Mute your sound. ऋतुजा किसका आवाज चालू है please? Then Subedar Joginder Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quarter Master Havildar Abdul Hamid, then Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burzorzi Tarapur, Lance Naik Albert Ekka, 2 oblique Lieutenant Arun Khatrapal. Then let's see the other names. Major Hoshiar Singh, Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Major Ramaswamy Parameshwaran, Lieutenant Major Kumar Pandey, Grandier Yogender Singh Yadav, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Captain Vikram Batra and Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekha. तो इसके बारे में हमको यहाँ पे दिया है दिस हियर वी हैव गिवन द इंफॉर्मेशन सी ये जो आदमी रहते हैं दे आर वेरी ब्रेव पीपल दीज आर वेरी ब्रेव पीपल सो फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर निर्मलजीत सिंह से का उसका नंबर है 10877 FPPVC स्क्वाड्रन नंबर 18 इट इज द फ्लाइंग बुलेट्स what happened like what happened and what this person did on the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of six enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekha was on readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of the clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. By the time runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sekhan took off in his Nat fighter the moment he could began to combat the powerful Sabre jet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged two of them. His fight with attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. But alas, Flying Officer Sekhar's aircraft too clashed and he was killed. And he was killed in this battle. उन्होंने हमारी जान तो बचा ली मतलब श्रीनगर और जो भी एयरफील्ड है लेकिन उनकी जान वो बचा नहीं पाए. So he could not save his life. Flying Officer Sekhar displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave flying officer Nirmaljit Sekha. If you want to read more information, you can go to the website paramvirchakra.com about the gallant PVC, that is Paramvir Chakra awardees, who laid down their lives in the serving country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they face the enemy without any regard of their fatal wounds and physical pains. Physical pain. Getting guys? Some question answers are given. You can find out some questions, so you can find out answers for them.